Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to perform a carrier lookup using your IMEI number of your REALME 14 Pro Plus. So all you need to do first is to just find your IMEI number, which the quickest way to do is to just dial this number on your phone, and this should show your IMEI number right to you. And then enter the IMEI.info website and type in your IMEI number right here and press check IMEI. You'll get some basic info about your phone, and here you'll find the carrier lookup by phone number. And if you type in your phone number right here using the instructions, so you have to use the country code too, you'll perform a carrier lookup for free. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.